In case this isn't obvious, this is highly inspired by Make It Count by Casey Neistat. That's put me in a nice fight or flight state. Nope, wrong order.
Go home.
Is that even visible right now? Tripod is going to be dirty. No, I don't want to do a questionnaire right now. Fun fact, that's actually a prison. Oh wait, maybe that's the prison. No, that's the prison. The one that looks like shit. That is our local art place, museum thing, whatever the hell it's called. Success. Shout out to my fisher friends out there who I did not speak to, but they sounded like they're having a good time. And it's just about, what is your fun? My fun is definitely not fishing. It is more so stuff like this. Telling stories, creating content, sharing my messages, and oh my God, I feel really good right now. That was really nerve-wracking. Like I said, fight or flight, but just moving anyways, just doing it. In this video, I'll be taking you along for my journey for the first time I have ever flown a drone as a complete beginner. That is redundant. Ah, so sick. Look at this little guy. Ah, so good. What the fuck? Totally forgot about the SD card. This thing is freaking tiny. About the size of my thumbnail. Oh nice, I love when it comes with dead batteries. What the fuck? Let's go.
All you have to do is press and hold the power button, and then it becomes a battery bank.
I officially forgive them for giving me dead batteries. This is so risky. Can you see this still? Yeah. Quick detour. When I was a kid, we used to come down here all the time and just swim in this area right here. But it was so much fun. Claw is impossible. Damn it. Okay, let's try something else. What can I do? How can I make this better? Oh shit, it's still recording.
And the same thing, you press once and hold, the controller turns off. Now in the